when you recognize your place of justice, you're patient on living justice despite all the different threats that are probably trying to deter you away from truth. And despite all the advantages or the offers that you're probably getting, but you're living the satisfaction, you're living the iffah, in order to grow even in that capacity, you would basically put, even if it meant your life on the line and your wealth on the line, you're living the courage to actually live to the principle, live the mission, and emulate what the prophets and the prophets and the messengers were living in, the legacy of the prophets and the messengers, despite all the fear, to take, despite all the fear, ready to take all the roads and ready to take the roads to figure out a way to support the truth. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala basically spoke about those that are living that principle, living the word, living and committed to the ilm, to actually recognize for the woman what it means to actually find that man that is qawam. So when we speak about qawama, we're first going to be recognizing what it means to be the person of qawam, what it means to be a man, what it means to embrace it. Who am I giving this level to? Who am I choosing to be the person in qawama? But unfortunately, what we're seeing today is many people confused. Why do I need to obey the man? That's because you don't know what manhood is, my dear. Maybe if you would have known what the definition of manhood is, then, and maybe if you would have actually identified not only what it means to have qawama, what it means to live manhood,